Another day, another AI tool. And this time I got another free AI tool that you can use to create awesome images. I've seen a lot of AI tools, and this one is probably one of my favorite ones because it looks really good what it creates, and it's free. It's not free to try out, it's free every time because you get credits, and the credits are getting reset every week. So you can use this tool forever, and if you're like a professional, you can buy credits, but for now it's free, and every week you get new credits and you can create a lot of images with the free credits. So let's get into this tool and show you what it can create. Alright, this is the website. It's called styler.ai, as you can see here, and here you can see the examples that it makes. Besides being a AI creator tool, it can also use this tool to really kind of create composites and move stuff around, add stuff to different areas like you can see here. So it's pretty much like a Photoshop version on a website, but with AI, and the Photoshop's AI is not that good and this one is a lot better. So what you have to do here is just go to sign up and sign up with your email, and then you can log in and you get this screen. So this is the homepage when you log in. Here you can see the different styles it can create. So these are not random images. These are all styles that this tool creates. So for instance, if you want to create like this kind of style from your photo, you can use that one. Or you want to create some Disney kind of style, dreamy 3D, you can just click on this and click on stylize. Now I'm not gonna do that now. I'm just gonna show you all these styles, so you can see how much styles they have. You can even create retro stickers, kind of logo stuff. So let's go and create a new project here. And first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select a dimension. Now with the free version, it's limited to 1536 pixels in width and height. If you want to have bigger pixels, you have to upgrade, but this one is 5 for online stuff. If you want to go for print, you definitely should go bigger because this is a bit too small for large prints especially. Now let's just create a new file like that, and what I want to do is I'm gonna use text to image first, so this way I can write the prompt and here I can select the style. So let's say I'm gonna write Johnny Depp as a pirate, for instance, right? So you can also see I can use names of famous people. It's no problem. Some tools doesn't allow that, and this one it allows. So let's go here and let's see which style do we want. Let's go for this one. I like this one, kind of retro style, and here you can set the intensity. So if you want to have it really intense, you can increase this one. Let's keep it at the middle for the sake of this video, and you can see here how much styles we have here. Now let's first do this one, the one that I selected, so the flamenco dance style, and let's stylize it. So now it's gonna create this image. Here you can see the progress and how fast it is, and here you can see the credits I have left. So I had 200 credits, now I have 110 left, and every week it's gonna reset. You can here see 18th February it's gonna reset my credits. It's a free account, right? So I can really create a lot of images with just these 200 credits. I think I created over 10 images and it still is at 106 now. Now you can see here how cool this looks. This even looks like Johnny Depp in real. So that's the good thing about it, is that it creates these images and they still look like the real deal, right? So let's go for this one, for instance, and then place on canvas. And now you can see I have this on the canvas. And here you can change the size if you want to different stuff. Let's keep it at this. Now you can edit this image also. So let's say, for instance, I'm gonna use generative fill just like in Photoshop, and I'm gonna select this area here. I'm gonna add a bird, let's say bird, and it's gonna add this bird in this area, and it's also gonna make sure it's edited in the same style. So not just a random photo, it's gonna make sure the style is the same as the one you created, like this kind of retro kind of illustration style, right? So let's see here, there it is, and you can see here it fits this style perfectly. Put on canvas and that's it. Now you can also remove stuff if you want to. Here you can see we work in layers just like in Photoshop. So if you don't like this one, you can remove it, and you can here also use generative remote. So if you click on this And then for instance, you don't like this boat, you just do this and then remove, and it's gonna remove this boat from the image. And that way you can really control this image as you want. Now, besides these kind of text to prompt images, you can also edit your own photo with this tool. So let's go first. Oh, it's gonna load it. Let's cancel this for now. Let's go here to the home page. All right, let's create a new project. And for this, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your own photo. So let's just keep it at this one. And then let's import image here. Let's say I'm gonna import this image of Leo. It's gonna upload this image. And if you click on fit to content, it's gonna make sure it's the same size as your photo. And then if we go to image, we can change the style of this photo. So I'm not gonna write down any prompts. I'm just gonna use one of these examples to apply this kind of style to this photo. So for instance, let's go here and see which style we want. Let's see, let's pick something interesting. Maybe 8-bit arcade. I think this is fun to do. Kind of pixel image is this. And then here you can also change the values. You can also write prompt, but I'm not gonna write any prompt. I just wanna make this image in the 8-bit arcade. And the only thing you have to do is actually upload this and then select your style and just wait a couple seconds until it's done. And then you get 4 results, which you can choose from, or you can create a couple more that it creates, right? So it's actually really easy to work with. Now, the only downside I noticed about this is that the faces don't really look as the original. I tried out many prompts, so what you have to do is you have to really play around with the settings. You can see here, I wouldn't say this is Leo from the same image as here, but I think if you play with these settings to really try out different kind of values, you can create something really cool that looks like your image. But for me, I think this kind of looks a bit different, but it's still pretty cool, and you can play some canvas and you have your style just like that. So that's pretty much it for this tool. Try it out. I will leave the link in the description of the video so you can create your own style, and maybe this tool will help you to create better images. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and catch you on the next one.